Hi everybody, and welcome back to my daily videos. For Ms. Ornelas, today we're going to be practicing how to write thesis statements. This is for those of you at home or those of you who need a little bit further direction than either what you saw in class or you're just a little bit confused working from home. Okay, so I want to be clear, these are do nows. I'm going to give you guys 10 to 15 minutes every day in class, and we're going to practice how do we write thesis statements. I want you guys to get good practice as you are going into your DWA. So for today, I'm going to explain it, and then every day in class we will work on these skills, okay? Alright, so a thesis statement, what is it? A thesis statement is to address the main points of your essay. If I had a prompt in front of me that said, should we ban junk food from schools? Okay? Your thesis statement should tell me, I should know, yes, we should ban junk food, or no, we should not ban junk food. You need to tell me, what are you arguing for? What is the main point of your essay? What are you trying to say? Okay? It needs to directly respond to the essay prompt. So if you're writing about junk food, your essay cannot be about how we should sleep 7 hours a night. You need to make sure you're on topic, you're on task, okay? You're also telling the reader what's being discussed and in what order. I cannot emphasize that enough. In what order. A lot of students don't always do that in order, okay? So we're saying, here's what I will be discussing in my paper, here's my stance, and what order I'm going to be telling you my discussion, my thoughts. This is all done in one complete sentence. So later on you may do this in other sentences, but for now we're just going to keep it to one. It's placed at the end of the introduction paragraph. So after your hook, after your tag, after your context, that's when you are going to go ahead and have your introduction paragraph. Okay. Every thesis statement should include your topic, your position, and about 2 to 3 general reasons. So 2 to 3 reasons why. Okay. For those of you that are my visual learners, here's a visual format for you to see it. So you put your topic right here, whatever your topic is. Your position, are you for something or are you against something? Your 2 to 3 reasons, okay? You can like bullet point them, that's fine. That all comes together to create your thesis statement. So let's do the example. Topic, year-round education, okay? So no summer breaks, no winter breaks, going to school for the entire year. That's the topic. Okay. Their position, this person's position, this writer thinks that it should not be used in school. So we should not be going to school all year because, and here are their 2 to 3 reasons. It promotes burnout in students and teachers, so you feel more tired, you just feel like you can't do things. And 2, it threatens family life and bonds because you're not at home. You're at school more often. Okay? So, those are the 2 reasons. So, we're going to put that together. Year-round education, the topic, should not be used in schools, in today's schools, because, always keep the because, now here are our reasons. It promotes student and teacher burnout, reason 1, and threatens our family life and bonds. That's it. I'm not asking for much more. These do not have to be complete sentences. This is the only complete sentence you will actually be creating in class. Okay, so let's look at it. Let's try it out. This is the example we will go through in class. Should all pets have homes? Should all homes have a pet? You're going to discuss with your groups. So here is where in your groups you're going to tell me yes or no. Here are your pros and here are your cons. Teacher's responsibility versus expensive, health issues, more adoption. So here are the pros and cons of having a pet. Choose your side. Are there more pros or are there more cons to your argument? Then you write your 1-sentence thesis statement. So, okay, once we have our pros and cons, then you write it. Remember, every thesis statement should include your topic, your position, and 2 to 3 general reasons. So I'm going to go back to this. Your topic, your position, your 2 to 3 reasons. So, all homes should have a pet. Okay, remember this is a topic. All homes should have a pet. That's topic. And then right here, should have a pet. That's your position. They should or should not. They should. Because this is going to signal 2 to 3 general reasons. They teach the value of responsibility. So there's reason number 1. and more animals would get adopted. There's reason number 2. Simple. And I know that their first body paragraph is going to be about the value of responsibility, and their second body paragraph is how animals would get adopted. Okay. Now your second thesis statement. Okay. Pets. So here's our topic. Here's our right here. Should. This is your position. Should always be optional, because this is the signal that we are going to have 2 to 3 general reasons. They are expensive. So this is reason number 1. They're expensive. Reason number 2, they can cause health issues for the owner. Okay, so that's that second reason right there. And that's a full and complete thesis statement, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. So, should dating take place? The first one we're going to do tomorrow together is going to be, should dating take place in middle school? Okay. We filled out some of the pros and cons for you guys to already think of, just to get started, to help you guys get started. And then on the next slide, on Tuesday, you're going to write your thesis right here. And that's it. On Thursday, we'll fill out this one, and on Friday, we'll do this one. But that's all you have to do, ladies and gentlemen. That's it. So, as always, if you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Again, I'm going to be covering this in class. If not, you may come in during my office hours, which are before school at 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Alright, guys, as always, let me know if you have any questions or need anything else. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class. Bye.